Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and TCL 20L. So, today I'll show you how to connect your smartphone to TV so it can cast its screen. Firstly, take your remote control and click Source button. Now select Screen Mirroring and take your phone, swipe down notification bar and tap Cast. Select your TV and wait until it connects. What is important, both TV and Smart TV and smartphone has to be connected to same Wi-Fi. As you can see, now it's connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.